Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now, shut down Windows, unplug USB drives, and close apps so firmware changes are safe. Press the S key or tap F10 repeatedly as you power on. That opens the HP startup menu and BIOS. Once the menu appears, navigate with the arrow keys. You should see System Configuration or Boot Options. Make a quick photo of any existing boot order and security settings so you can restore them if needed. This minimizes risk and speeds recovery. You now navigate to Boot Options or System Configuration and focus on the startup menu controls. Use arrow keys to highlight the startup menu, boot display, or boot order entries. Change the setting to Disabled, Hidden, or Minimum so the menu no longer appears at every boot. If secure boot or legacy boot settings require adjustment, change them carefully. Those affect OS boot behavior. Once done, choose Save Changes and Exit so the firmware writes the new preference to NVRAM. You finish by restarting the laptop to verify the startup menu is gone. Watch for normal Windows boot. If the system fails to boot, immediately enter BIOS again and restore the original settings using the photos you took. Return boot order and secure boot to their prior values. If you can't restore, use the BIOS Reset to Defaults option as a last resort, then reapply minimal changes. Make sure to reconnect peripherals after confirming stability, and contact HP support if firmware behaves unexpectedly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.